10 amazing facts about Sagarika Ghatke. First, Sagarika Ghatke is an Indian actress and model. Second, Sagarika Ghatke was born on 8 January 1986 in Kolhapur, Maharashtra, India. Third, she completed her 10th and 12th grades at the Mayo College Girls' School, Ajmer, Rajasthan, and her graduation from HR College, Mumbai. Fourth, in 2007, Ghatke made her acting debut in the movie Chak De India, where she played the character Preeti Sabharwal. Fifth, this role gained her widespread recognition and led her to become the brand ambassador for Reebok India. Sixth, her film career continued with roles in movies like Fox 2009 as Urvashi Mathur and Mile Na Mile Hum 2011 as a Kamia. Seventh, she then starred opposite Imran Hashmi in the 2012 film Rush. Eighth, she made her Marathi film debut in 2013 with Premachi Ghost, where she played Sonal. Ninth, in 2015, Ghatke showcased her adventurous side by participating in Fear Factor Khatron Ke Khiladi 6, where she emerged as a finalist. 10th, in 2017, she portrayed Maya Singh in the critically acclaimed movie Irada. Subscribe the channel.